Come with me to Bicol! A super biglaan trip. So for the first time in a while, this is not gonna be a solo trip. I'll be traveling with a friend. We'll literally talk about this Thursday night, and then we decided to book it right away. And now it's Saturday, and we're at the bus station here in Cubao. It's 8 p.m. We're waiting for the sleeper bus. So yung sleeper bus is, I think, gonna be here at 9 p.m. And then 12 hours later, we'll be in Albay, Legazpi, Albay. So here's the bus station. So we decided to take a bus since biglaan nga siya. When I checked the airfare via Cebu Pacific, one-way flight is at least 5,000 pesos. So it's kind of expensive. So bus na lang yung binook namin. You can check Klook for the bus tickets kasi I think mas mura doon compared to sa website. We just booked a one-way ticket kasi hindi namin alam hanggang kailan kami doon kasi nga super biglaan trip siya. But I brought about 8 days worth of clothes. So, tingnan natin kasi parang gusto din namin pumunta ng Sorsogon. So this is the first time I booked something like this, as in walang plano whatsoever. Hopefully, it'll be a successful trip. Time check. It's almost 12 midnight. So, nakabukas yung mga ilaw kasi nag-stop over kami. Sabi nung mamang konduktor, we're gonna be here for 20 minutes. Nagsibabaan lahat. So, malaki naman yung upuan, in fairness. Tapos, pwede mo siyang i-recline. Tapos, meron ding patungan ng paa sa baba. So, comfortable naman siya. And malamig din yung aircon. And then, may CR din. Ayan. So, not bad na rin. This is our seat. Here's the toilet. In fairness, it's clean and may bidet. We're here in Bicol. So it took us 11 hours to get here. It's currently 8 a.m. The bus station is just beside SM. So if you want to, say, get groceries or whatever before heading to your hotel, you can do that here sa SM. Pero meron ding mga kainan dito sa bus station. May ATM, may malinis na CR. We don't really have plans kasi our hotel check-in is